Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. And we are in Dollar Tree actually. And it was so many new finds that I stopped and did a new find video. And now I'm doing my couponing video. So that's why at the beginning you hear me say we're going couponing. It was so much new finds though that I need to do a new find video. So now we're couponing. So let's go and first of all let's start to the back of this store because I'm actually trying to see if they are putting any more of these tablets, which I don't think they are anymore. But let's go back here and look. Nope. Oh, they did. Here. Let me grab two of them. So they put the maxes back. So I'm going to grab two. This coupon always beep. If it beep, you won't see it in my buggy. But if it worked, then you'll see it. Okay? I love this. This is fantastic. This right here, guys, this is some good dime. And it's called Pure Essential. You know, everything they put essential on it, you know, but now so they can sell it. That's the key. Okay, so we done made ourselves to the back. There's the bread. But first, let's go right here. Let's go here. I'll buy those because those are the tostada corn crispy shells. I like those. Let's see. Cracker Jacks. Okay. We don't do Cracker Jacks so much. There's the English muffins. I'll buy one pack of those. Let's see. These are the little tiny ones. Tiny. See? The kids actually like those to butter them and just eat them. Okay, so I grab a pack of those. What's these? Oh, the little rolls. Okay, so let's go look at the other stuff, the bread. They got Cracker Jacks, tons of them. Remember Cracker Jacks? Oh my God, I used to love getting Cracker Jacks. So since we over here, before we leave, let's see if they got any cereal that we could do. Nope. No. But let's go get our bread though, because we got lucky today. The bread is here. I learned, guys, I was coming too early. Oh, let me get some more coffee thing. Okay. Okay. So I got this. Oh my God, look at that. Big thing of Sara Lee hamburger buns. Look at that. 16 in pack for $1. Wow. $1. Okay. So let's start up here. Okay, they got the softies. They got that bread, the chocolate donuts, which I'll get one of these because these my husband's favorite. Y'all know he eat all those off from the kids. And then, let me see. If they don't have Italiano bread, I'm going to scream. Ooh. Okay, y'all, I almost knocked that whole thing over. Look at this, y'all. Bubbly. I was thinking about letting the kids do a pizza, so I'm going to grab two of these. Okay. And then I'm going to grab two breads. Hold on, I got to lift this up. So I grabbed two Sara Lee breads. Let's see what else is over here. Hop-at cinnamons, the chocolate, the powdered ones. Oh, Chicago style hot dog buns. There they are. Well, we're going to have chili dogs. I'll grab one pack of these because we're going to have chili dogs. And then, what is that? Is that steak bread? Yeah, it is. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's steak bread. Wow. Ah, I love this store. Okay, guys, so let's finish looking around and see what else we can get. I pretty much know where I want to go to, so let's go. Okay, they finally ran out of batteries. They don't have any. Okay, one more place they batteries be at. Let me go and look. Oh, they got Panasonic. They done officially ran out of Energizer batteries, so that's it for those. Yep, they out of. That's okay. I got tons of them. All right, let's go. Okay, Keebler. I'm gonna grab two of these because I think that coupon worked. We're gonna try it. Let's grab two. That. I want those. Okay. I had 2 skinny pop coupons left. Oh, that's sweet and salty. Yeah. Oh no, here. Man, in fact, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get 3 of them. Okay. I think this the one they had to type in, if I'm not mistaken. Hopefully I get a good one that'll type it in. Okay, y'all know that pistachio coupon we had. Y'all know my pistachio coupon worked last time, right? I'm gonna get it. I don't have a coupon, but I have my 10-year-old. He eats pistachios. I'm gonna grab that for him. Okay, you guys know we got Hall's coupon. So I am going to grab. I got a lot of Hall's coupons. I'm trying to see how. I'm gonna try to use 4. Let me see how many I could use. I don't know if it'll let me use defense. I don't remember. I'll try some defenses, some more lemons. So, how many? However it let me use, that's what we're gonna use. Let me see. Look at that, Oreo. Okay. And here's the coupon. I'm gonna grab 4 of these. You gotta make sure they say Travel Voyager. Okay, and then the Colgate, I'm gonna grab 4 of these. 4 of those. Look guys, remember Reach used to be a good toothbrush? Look, it's in a dollar store, the double ones. I wonder how these things just go and die places. Even though, oh, there's the Bic. Somebody kept telling me they have Bic in here, but I never see it. I think I don't pay attention to it because I don't expect to see it. Look at that mermaid off duty. So let me go down here. Okay, here's the wall decor again. And they have a lot of it, like they got Face Love Hope. These, I see people putting these on a lot of different plaques and stuff like that. You could do those. Look at that. A train, a wall creation. And you just hook them all together. Well, I wonder what they like that. Let me grab that for the boys. Okay, so my granddaughter's room is going to be purple and blue. The solar system or the moon and all of that. So that's what she wants. I don't see anything. Okay, they're starting to put back our kitchen stuff. Okay, this little man always managed to make it, don't he? To the next go round of kitchen stuff. Okay, so these wasn't here the last time I came. This has been here for a long time. I feel like they could kind of retire that off. So I did pick up these because I'm gonna make something out of those. So look at that. This is one. Love builds a happy home. I got these back. Love is a 4-legged word. And then they got, they got these. Let's say roll with it. Love cooking, roll with it. Okay, I like those. We could deal with those. Okay. So they do have some nice things to look at, a lot of their little knickknacks. So we're gonna go check out that. I was trying to make sure I kept it to that girl, but I see she ain't in line now. The guy, he ain't up there no more. Damn it. Okay. Okay, guys, we are back from Dollar Tree. It was a good haul, guys. I'm so happy. Guys, excuse me, I'm eating apple. Okay. I had to get that apple out of my mouth. Now, I figured out what I did, what I could be doing, so all of the coupons will work. Might I add with no beats? Okay, so when you use these coupons, try to make sure you stay no more than 4. The key actually is no more than 2. I split my haul up. I did. So I got the coupons for them because I realized I didn't show them to you all. Okay, so the skinny pop, the white cheddar, that right there, this coupon works. Okay. It's the exact coupon that didn't say, so I got like tons of them, and they do not expire until what, 331. So I will be using a lot of those. And then I'm collecting for my son's birthday. Now, I did 2 of these, and then I did 1 on another one. The lucky numbers 2 today. These, of course, end on the 23rd, and 2 at a time. I used 2, so about 4 at a time. And they did work on this Hall's Defense, okay? These. After she did 2, the third one beat. So what she did was, she took 2 of them off of there. Bam. So 2 at a time. When she took the 2 off of there, I told her just remove 2 toothbrushes too. Because I think it's being overwhelmed by 4 of these toothpastes and 4 toothbrushes. So I just did 2 and 2 to make that 4 per transaction. So that's how I split that one up. These end on the 16th. So if you guys could go and rack up on these, this will make a great start to a free stockpile. So will these. So will these. Okay, now, this one. Now, y'all see this? This coupon would not work because it was ripped. I had to use another coupon, but this coupon expires on the 2/20. It does work on the cups. So, I got these 2 cups. I have some more of these, so I'll be going back and getting some more because for Christmas, I did stocking stuffers and stuffed them all in there. Now, besides that, I got the Entenmann's. I got the Bobalee. I got that. Got some bread. You all saw me buy bread. I bought, pardon me, more stuff on here. Let me see what else is on here. The Skinny Pop. Well, the wonderful, let me see. Oh, I got some decor in there. So, after I bought all of that, plus like extra stuff that I bought that's part of decorations, but I try to move that out the way because I had a new find video, guys, that I had to, I saw so many new finds, I separated the video. So this is a couponing video. After I finish, I'll be dropping a new find video for Dollar Tree. Go do it. It is worth it. But I paid for a lot of stuff together. So all together, I end up paying $13 out of pocket. Look at that. Coupons. Now, I also got, you see me with 2. This one ended up being 15. And you see all the coupons right there. All of those came off. There's the coupons for the hauls, the cups, all of that. So everything came off. No beeps. We found out what to do. No beeps. Separate them. It's too many of these coupons at one time. And they're just reading it as 4 whole coupons when you got to separate. So that's the way it is, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 items for free at Dollar Tree. I hope you all enjoyed this video and get your coupons together because a lot of them are expiring. Bye.